Do you want to build a premium leather wallet without the usual complexity? In this step-by-step video course, you'll learn how to make this elegant double-sided card wallet with a convenient internal cash pocket, using techniques designed to save time without compromising quality. There's no skiving needed, no stitching oil required, and no synthetic reinforcements are used. You'll also discover how to burnish chrome tanned leather for clean, professional-looking edges, a technique many think is impossible. Whether you're completely new to leathercraft or an experienced maker looking for a quick weekend build, this course will help you create a wallet you'll be proud to carry, gift, or sell. So join thousands of leathercrafters already learning with the Leathercraft Masterclass and start building yours today. Hi, my name is Philip, and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.